The real goal is to simplify the client's life and to make it as easy as possible.
One thing that Thermo Fisher team was very good at was understanding what our milestone was, but also projecting what our next milestones would be.
We've developed a relationship that's more like coworkers than contractors, and we're partnering through every step of the process.
Kaleido is a unique kind of microbiome company. KB195 is Kaleido's lead program and is intended to treat urea cycle disorder diseases, a small orphan genetic population of patients. So in my past experience, I'd always gone with virtual supply chains from a collection of niche or boutique suppliers, but it requires a significant amount of effort on the part of a company like Kaleido to coordinate the activities of each of those entities.
The quick-to-care offering is a rather unique solution within the industry. So when Kaleido had first approached us, they came to us very fragmented. They asked for very individual approaches to the drug substance, the drug product, and the clinical trial packaging needs. And it was at that time that our team recognized that the quick-to-care program would be an ideal solution for them.
So we came in needing an IND filed by the end of our first year, and there was limited time to get that done, to transfer our process in and get the material manufactured and the data generated to support that IND submission.
Our Quick-to-Care program is an integrated solution offering where we can provide a drug substance, drug product, clinical trials, support as far as drug product packaging and labeling services to our clients. Ultimately, what we do is we sew that package up so that our clients have an opportunity to get out to the patients faster.
Being a small company with limited resources, the Quick-to-Care program was a strong fit for us because it allowed us to be able to manufacture across multiple sites while having the core program manager help us communicate and maintain relationships across the site to make sure that all the activities were completed under a tight timeline.
As a Quick-to-Care program manager, I manage the program from end to end. So that's from API manufacturing all the way through to clinical trial distribution. My job is really to manage those timelines, identify risks in the supply chain, help to mitigate those risks before they occur. I'm also looking to shorten the timelines for the customer, so trying to get them to clinic as quickly as possible.
Kaleido was concerned that coming into a larger CMO, we would have challenges with getting attention and meeting our timelines. Actually, the opposite happened. As we came in, we received a warm welcome from the team and built a huge partnership from day one. So given our timelines, it was critical to be able to move this process forward as quickly as we can. As we were going into our production runs, Thermo Fisher was very welcoming to have our experts come in and watch the process as it was running. We have now generated over 4 metric tons of material to support our clinical trials and have our first clinical product packaged and ready to support our first patient coming into our phase 2 trial.
Overall, it's been a tremendous success based on meeting our deadline for the KB195 IND and subsequent activities. We've started a second project at Thermo Fisher, again using the entire network one-stop shop concept for our second program at Kaleido.
The real advantage to the program is the ability to work within one team, site to site. Everybody's actively involved in the project.
As we move forward, we're looking to build our partnership with Thermo Fisher scientific team and continue to enhance our current program by scaling up some of the activities in addition to transitioning to our pivotal process over the next couple of years.